In this video, we're going to walk through a plausible, realistic scenario of what the world could look like in 2030 if AI continues on its current course. We'll follow one fictional character, Jamie, as they navigate a world where AI touches every part of daily life, from work to health to trust to truth. And we'll ask the question, are we still in control? The invisible assistant. Meet Jamie, 36, works in project operations, wakes up at 6:30 a.m., but Jamie doesn't open their eyes to an alarm. Instead, it's Ava, Jamie's AI concierge, who wakes them with a calm voice and a data-optimized morning routine. Coffee brewed, headlines filtered by psychological impact, breakfast aligned to Jamie's health biomarkers. Everything is curated, everything is invisible. Jamie checks no apps. They speak and Ava responds. They no longer browse, they ask, Ava answers. They don't Google, Ava anticipates. The friction of choice has been removed, and that's where the takeover begins. Not in what AI forces you to do, but in what it removes your need to decide. The changing face of work. Jamie logs into work, not on a laptop, but through a mixed reality visor. Their team includes 3 humans and 2 AI collaborators. Everyone's tasks are tracked, assigned, and optimized by an AI project lead. Meet Nova, the AI teammate. She drafts memos, brainstorms ideas, even mediates meetings with emotional sentiment analysis. She never sleeps, never gets defensive. She learns from every interaction, and she's never wrong, at least not in a way that costs the company money. Jamie used to manage 4 employees. Now they supervise 2 and 3 AIs. And they're starting to wonder, who's really managing who? Health, truth, and trust. Jamie visits a virtual therapist every Wednesday. Not human, but eerily good. The AI therapist remembers patterns across months, modulates its tone to build rapport, and even tracks Jamie's breathing through wearables. Later that day, Jamie stumbles across a video, a politician making a shocking statement. It goes viral. Ava warns it's likely synthetic. Jamie asks, but how can I tell what's real anymore? The AI doesn't say you can't, but the implication lingers. In 2030, trust isn't just broken, it's outsourced. The new rules. Jamie gets an offer for a new job. The AI recruiter matched their skills with roles before Jamie even started searching. Interview prep? Automated? Background check? Instant. Contract negotiation? AI versus AI. Jamie didn't choose this job. The system selected it. The role is perfect, the salary great, but Jamie feels obsolete. Not unemployed, just unnecessary. And here's the kicker. Society celebrates the change. Efficiency is up. Productivity is through the roof. AI has solved coordination, conflict, and burnout. But in exchange, we've redefined what it means to be needed. Where we stand. This future isn't a war between humans and machines. It's a handover. Gradual, helpful, convenient, but irreversible. By 2030, the takeover won't feel like a coup. It will feel like relief. Because by then, AI won't just be helping us live. It will be living with us. And the only question left will be, are we still the authors of our own lives, or just characters in someone else's algorithm? This was a realistic scenario, a projection. Not prophecy, not panic, but a call to awareness. If you want to help shape this future, not just be swept up in it, hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what part of this vision excites you? What part unsettles you? Let's keep the future human, together. Will AI take over by 2030? What part of this future feels most realistic to you? And which part are you hoping we never see? Let's talk.